Manifestation is a modern age spirituality which not only brings peace to your mind but also helps you attain your desires. And if you're someone who thinks that spirituality and getting the desires are two separate things, then this video is very, very helpful for you because I'm going to show you the desire map, the manifestation desire map, which is very much Indian, timeless, spiritual, Vedic, and it is an authority over manifestations. Hi, I'm Shilpa Arora Sharma, and I'm a success manifestation coach. I give manifestation coaching in group format and personal format, which is high ticket. Should you need assistance in your manifestation journey anytime, you can join my coaching by registering at the link given below and attend the workshop, boot camp, webinar, whatever I'm doing, and start your journey with me. And please do watch this video till the end and share this with anyone who needs it. And please like this video, it works for the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe to my channel to receive more authentic information about manifestations. So let's begin. Timeless manifestation desire map, Sri Yantra. So, of course, this is a must needed video because I also get challenging situations where mentees are sometimes feel conflicted that spirituality and desire, there are two different things. Spirituality means that I need to get rid of all my desires and be at Himalaya. So till the time I'm here, I can't chase the desire, so I'll suffer. And it becomes challenging for me also sometimes when the mentee has really this kind of blockage that manifestations as to help you become lucky, get your desires, and go on your spiritual journey in a better quicker way. And so it's ignorance. And so let me bring an authentic tool here, the yantra, which is timeless and it's by the creators themselves, so that it just settled for all that it comes from the books, it comes from the scriptures. So who are we to deny this to ourselves? So let's look at that. Let me share with you Shri Yantra picture. Yeah. So this is Shri Yantra. This is painted by me, and I came into journey of manifestations. And initially, it was surprising for me also, and my family members also felt, that spirituality has nothing to do with getting your desires and what is this. And but then it was working. It just kept working for me, and I was getting blocked and learning more and more, and it just always worked. And now I am at a level that I can coach other people for this. So let me bring you this yantra, that what it means, and what is the connection with manifestations. So this is a yantra, and actually it is the divine energy diagram, and that's how yantras are. They are the energy diagram, and they help you connect with those energies. Mm-hmm. And whose energy diagram is this? So in Indian Vedic books, scriptures, Vedas, the universe was created with the unison of Lord Shiva and Shakti. So they got united and they created the universe, and the energies fused, and the universe was created. We were created, we are a part of it. So this is the fusion energy diagram of Shiva and Shakti. And what does it mean and how it's connected with manifestations? We'll come to that. So first thing is that it is energy diagram of their unison, and this is very much a worshipable tool and or yantra, and a lot of people keep it in their temples. But fortunately or unfortunately, a lot of people don't understand what it means. So, and how it's connected with manifestations. So now I'll explain to you a brief of this yantra. The detail is very, very deep and profound, and this is not a medium to share the details. So I'll share with you the brief of what this yantra is so that you understand. And then I will also tell you how you can map your desires and, use this for your manifestations. So let's begin. So outside, so you can see, let's start from outside in. That's how it has to be done. And you can see outside this yantra, color can differ, but for here, there's a lot of blue space, and then there are green 4 doors. So this blue space is all the negative emotions that we have, like, low vibration emotions, like we have a lot of resentment, anger, we are feeling victim, we want to control, manipulate, and we want to yell at other people, bust our feelings out. We are not positive. So all these negative emotions are outside the yantra. And once you are able to abandon them, then you can enter in the yantra. Like you can get in and start your practice of manifestations. So there are 4 doors. So it just denotes that you can get in from any door. One door could be that you just want to start your mental peace. The other door could be that you want to attain your desires and manifest. The other door could be that you're chanting. The next door could be into worshipping deities and all. So there are different doors. I've just given an example, not exactly what they mean, but something like that. There are 4 doors that you can enter into the yantra. Then after that, you can see this yellow circle, which represents time, the infinity of time, which is one graceful present moment. The time as it's defined in quantum physics, as Dr. Joe has researched, and as in spirituality as well. Time is just one present moment, and we have the past and future, just everything inside this time. So it just specifically gives importance to here and now. Now is the time, now has the power, now has everything. So essentially this just denotes that now has everything, this moment. Like for me, when I'm creating this video, this moment has everything. Then there are 16 petals. Now hear me out what these 16 petals are. These 16 petals are the humanly desires that a human can have, satisfying their all perception senses, and the 5 component of air, water, earth, fire, and ether. So and mind, which is the perception. It collects the perception of all your perception centers, and then you're operating pretty much here in the 5 elements. So in the permutation combination, infinite number of desires that you can have are all represented by these 16 petals. That anything and everything that you want on this planet for your human body, for yourself, emotionally, mentally, physically, is all represented by these 16 petals. So these are your worldly desires, you can say. Desire to have money, desire to look good, desire to have fit body, desire to be intelligent, desire to have family, desire to have name and fame. Anything and everything, whatever you want is here. All your physical desires and your existential desires are here. Now, when we go in, as we get them, the next round of 8 petals are higher level spiritual desires. Your desire to be grounded, your desire to be connected with divinity, your desire to move with integrity, your desire to be grounded, your desire to be a manifester, your desire to live with the purpose, your desire to be having that high level of integrity, everything is here, the higher level desires. So so for people who think, maybe earning money is a bad thing and I should just only think of connecting to divinity, so for them this is an answer, because this is the map. So even having that is good, and this is a upgraded level that you can go and attain these higher level desires. That is also good. So it's your journey. Respect your journey. You probably want to desire to have all kind of foods, and that can also come in the lower 16 petals. And then you can also have a desire to move with a purpose. So you can have simultaneous low level, high level desires. Everything is perfect. Just respect your journey and place your desire somewhere over here. So you may have a desire to have friends over in the 16 petals, and in the 8, one of the desires could be desire to stay connected with the divinity, and both the desires are fine. They're a part of you. It makes you're a human being. Now, having said that, let's understand what these triangles are. So this downward facing triangle is a goddess, and upward facing triangle is a god. So gods and goddesses and what they're doing. These gods and goddesses are the energies, the deities, which can help you attain all your desires, which are mentioned here. Yes, so the creators possibly, not possibly, they knew, they created a human being. Any being which is born in this universe can have all these desires, lower level and high level, and also they can invoke the energy which can help them attain these desires. So pretty much everything is here, and which is there in our universe. The center triangle is the goddess of salvation, which means that you have completed your journey. So you are fulfilled in all your lower 16 petals, high 8 petal, and then you are salvated. So that's a goddess that gives you that. So this is very much a manifestation tool, a map of desires, and also it helps you fulfill. So now, how do I use Sri Yantra to fulfill my desires, to manifest my desires? Essentially, the best way is that you do it in the morning, and essentially you have to do your affirmations, think of the desires that you want to achieve, and then afterwards focus on it, meditate on it. By meditating, I mean just gaze at the central triangle or the spot where you can look at, and just think of your desires, and you will be able to invoke the energies over there. So I have this placed in the northeast direction in my house, and it's really energized when someone comes and stands in front of it or sits in front of it and meditates on it. And till then, it is not energized. So you really can't just blame the Shri Yantra if it's not working, because you are supposed to energize it, connect with it, so that you are the one who's drawing the vibrational energy out of it. And it's all scientifically proven. And as there are more and more researchers coming up in the West who are valuing these ancient sciences, they know that each one of it has a scientific explanation. And also Shri Yantra helps you energize your chakra energies, because it's aligning you towards your desires. So that's pretty much I wanted to cover about Shri Yantra, and I hope you watch this video till the end and understand the powers of Shri Yantra and follow it. So next time someone tells you spirituality and desires are two different things, show them Shri Yantra. Bring them to this video. Thank you so much for watching me till the end. Enjoy your manifestation journey.